Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals still going on right now at your local Lowe's. So let's dive in. So guys, we're going to show you some of the best deals that are still available at your local Lowe's. Start right here with some Craftsman outdoor items. A little weed whacker here for $79 and this pole chainsaw for $149. Again, these are still hanging on. Also have the Craftsman 2500 watt generator. You see it's not here, but it is $600 right now. Craftsman is a solid brand. They're definitely going to do a good job right there. A few grills that are still available. We have the Spirit grill. This has been on sale for a while, little Weber's. We've seen these on sale for a while now. So if you are interested in a Weber grill, still a great time to grab you one of these. Then they had the modular sink and cooler here on clearance. I think this is really cool to kind of have outside. This is the Char-Broil option here, but you can see all the different features we have, just the outside setup, and I'll show you the grill as well here in just a moment. Here is the modular grill. Again, clearance as well, but Char-Broil, so probably would go well with that setup. So if you're interested in that setup, you could grab the grill and the setup as well, and you'd have a little outdoor kitchen area setup. Did want to just show you guys what the little area is starting to look like. You can see now it's going back to springtime. No deals on these just yet, but I will keep you guys updated. Also have some of these winter clothings. You can see they're on sale for $25. A little hoodie here. So whatever you might need. Free Country brand. Did have some Bosch items for sale, $90 here for the leveler. Also, the Skill had their little flip option on sale for $80. Pretty cool. So if you're going to be doing multiple drills, you could use that one. We also have the combo kit here for $150. I think that's a great deal. I really like Skill. I think they're a solid brand and going to do a good job for you. DeWalt had some of their blades on sale here for $39 on clearance. See Craftsman 20 volt cordless drill, $99 here. And then another drill here for $99 as well. The Impact driver, so you can check either one of those out. We had the brushless screwdriver down to $80 here also in the Craftsman brand. We had the Cobalt miter stand, $129, so got to save about $50 on that one. A few different saws on sale. We have this miter saw here from Metabo, $350. We also had the buy one, get one. You got the DeWalt 12-inch. You get the DeWalt miter stand for free. So if you're going to be buying this, great time to purchase that. You get the free stand. Also have the compound option right here for $229. So $100 off of that one still. A few more deals. Craftsman down to $199. So again, you're saving $50 for that one there. A few more deals on these. You can see right here with Cobalt. And again, I'm planning on just trying to show you guys as many of these deals that are still hanging around. I know Home Depot has started to begin putting their stuff up. So if you're still interested in a lot of these deals, you definitely want to go and check them out right now because Lowe's and Home Depot usually kind of follow suit. So I know it's not going to be too much longer until these deals will be gone. So if you are interested in any of these, maybe you didn't get any of these things for Christmas or whatever that might be, I would definitely check them out. Then we have some table saws here, $129, pretty good price right there. Craftsman table saw. Then DeWalt has theirs for $229. Again, a little bit lower pricing on a lot of these saws here. Then Craftsman also has their 10-inch table saw, $190. Another good deal on that one. And then Cobalt, $279 with the portable table saw, a little bit larger stand there. Then we have the Your Choice for $39. Again, this was the Black Friday deal here from Cobalt. So we got some batteries, a little small blower there, and a few other options. So if you need any of these lights or any of those, have a couple blades from Cobalt as well, $15 for these. More drill bits, $20 for these drill bits here. Craftsman drill bits. Again, some of these deals were even deeper than Black Friday, so I want to show y'all some of those here. That's what these kind of yellow tags are on clearance. Also had the mechanics tool set here, $70 on that one, 105 piece. Another ratcheting tool set, $50 for that one. Again, Craftsman's a solid brand. They're definitely going to do a good job. Have the hex keys. I really like these, $15. Then DeWalt clearance. You got to save $50 on this set. Get the recip saw, the 2 drills, and the light. Decent one on that one, $4.79. This one's a little bit better with the saw on there as well. Another limited time deal, $99 here. This Cobalt saw. So you get to save some money on that one. A little material saw, $79 for that one as well. Some Cobalt heat guns. Again, always great to have a heat gun. You don't use them extremely often with DIY stuff, but it is good to check this out. $80 for that one. Then we also have the belt sander here for $100. Again, Cobalt's a good brand. It is Lowe's brand, and if it doesn't work, you can always take it back. Then another Cobalt tool. Couple options here. So if you're going to be putting any recessed lighting or anything like that. We have some spade bits. A bunch of these were on sale. I had my kiddos with me helping me find these deals, and they loved finding all the deals. Another circular saw here from Skill. I mean, $35 for that circular saw. It's a great deal. $70 here. A little bit stronger one. And then also the Craftsman for $79, a new lower price on that one. A few more Bosch items still remain. You can see the laser distance level, the cross line level here, and a few more leveling items. So all items and deals under $99, and you see a few of them have even been dropped lower than Black Friday. So again, if you need any of these, you need to go ahead and snag them. We don't know how long these deals are going to last. And even Flex had a deal out there, little combo kit, $3.79. Bosch nailer, you get a free battery kit when you purchase one of these. So if you need a nailer, pretty good deal for this one. Bosch is a solid brand, and they're definitely going to do a good job. I do see a lot of Metabo nailers for sale. Some more some more drill bits, and a few more of these here for DeWalt. You can see again even more clearance, more drill bits here, even some blades for DeWalt. Check some of these out. Again, still good pricing. New lower pricing here. More blades. We have the 4-piece toolkit that was dropped to $249. Get all of these tools. If this video has been helpful so far, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. And here's the Metabo one I was telling you about. $149 for Metabo. Also, when you get one of these, then you get the multivolt tool for free. So if you get one of these kits. So again, they got a bunch of good deals with Metabo. Then we also have Cobalt. You got the 6-gallon pancake air compressor with the 3 tools. Then we also have the DeWalt air compressor as well. $360 for that one. DeWalt kits, your choice for $99 bucks. It's a bunch of different deals. And then we still have some batteries on sale. Always great to grab those. Get another battery pickup right here, $79. So if you need one of those, you can definitely grab it. Then they had a few different spider deals, $35 for those. A few more cut-off wheels, different pricing, depends on what you might need and what you might need them for. We saw this deal for Black Friday for Cobalt. You can get the combo kit here for $150 or the impact wrench for $150 as well. Then you also get one of your choice. You see these deals and these little sets here. Good prices for those. Craftsman had their 6-tool combo kit down to $200. that is a great kit to get you started. And $200 for all of that, it's a really good deal, especially with Craftsman. Jorgensen, I heard these clamps are like top end, so a lot of people have said these are great. So you can see these if you want to grab them, probably the best time to get them before you run out. A couple more clearance items. We saw some of these before, but a little scrubber here for $30. Great thing to grab. Some of the holiday, like Christmas lighting kind of clips are on sale, so you can grab some of those. Get you a good deal on the Christmas lights, also those clips. So if you're planning on doing all this stuff next year, definitely grab you these in case you broke some or in case your lights aren't working. Also had our fridge on sale, $196. We saw a bunch of these on sale as well around Christmas time, but we still have more of these compact fridges and those type things. So if you need a little fridge for the dorm room or a fridge for the shop, these are great things to check out. A couple more options here. The portable air conditioner, really like those. That's a great idea. I mean, you won't be using it for a little while, but definitely something you could check out. Maytag has their microwave. Then $224 here for a clearance for a dryer. I mean, I just bought a dryer semi-recently. That would have been a great one. We also have the range here, $270. And then also $314 for this one. I mean, that's again another great option. They also had some of these on sale, $200 for this like vanity set. So you can check out the vanity right here. Great to pick up one of those. And then another fire pit for $120. Great to grab one of these while it's been so cold. We actually just had a fire tonight and the kids absolutely loved it. But if you're interested, I would definitely go and check out some of the deals going on right now at your local Lowe's. I'll have some listed down below. But if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. And you can check out another video right here.